Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on a Honda non-flip key. This particular key was used for Honda cars starting from 2001, 2002 up until 2012, 13 even. So this particular key, in our case we have a small gap here which allows to open the case. Some of the keys will have a small screw here. The procedure is the same. Okay, so when you open the case, just put the small flathead screwdriver inside and twist it so you can turn the key. Once that is removed, you have another case inside which contains the buttons. You have this clip here which holds it into position, so just try and push this one a little bit and that will release the top. Okay, the battery is on the back here, and with the help of the screwdriver you can release the battery. In our case it's a CR1616. When removing and replacing the battery, please make sure you put the positive side of the battery towards the back, and after that it just goes back into position. It just clips back. You have the red LED light to confirm that you have a running battery. Perfect. Put it back into place. There's only one position that you can put it back in, and then we put the case back and clip it together. This would be the battery change for the Honda non-clip key. Please subscribe to our channel. If you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.